Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to view all your completed tasks in ClickUp using the Everything view, one of the most powerful and underused features in the entire platform. ClickUp is a full-featured project management tool, and knowing how to pull up finished work across your whole workspace is invaluable for audits, performance reviews, client reports, or simply making sure nothing slipped through the cracks. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp. Head to app.clickup.com in your browser, enter your email and password, and wait for your workspace to finish loading. This is worth mentioning because ClickUp is syncing your entire workspace structure in the background, all your spaces, folders, and lists. And if you jump ahead before that process completes, you may not see the full picture of your tasks. Once you see your sidebar populate with your spaces and the main content area is responsive, you are ready to move on. Now look at the left-hand sidebar. Near the top, you will find an option simply labeled Everything. Go ahead and click it. The Everything view is exactly what it sounds like, a single unified view that pulls together every task from every space, every folder, and every list in your entire workspace, all in one place. Most people never use this view and instead scroll through individual projects one at a time, which works fine for day-to-day work but becomes exhausting the moment you need a bird's-eye perspective. The Everything view solves that instantly. After you click it, give it a few seconds to load, especially if your workspace is large, because it is fetching a significant amount of data. Once the task list appears, you are ready for the important part. By default, the Everything view shows you active tasks, the ones that are open and in progress. To surface your completed work, you need to apply a filter. Look at the top of the page and click the filter button. A drop-down or panel will appear giving you a list of filter categories. Select status from that list. Here is something beginners often miss. ClickUp does not have a single universal completed status. Each space or list in your workspace can have its own custom statuses. That means you might see options like complete, closed, done, resolved, or whatever your team has configured. Select every status that represents finished work in your workspace. If you are unsure which ones to include, a good rule of thumb is to look for statuses that are color-coded gray or green, as those conventionally mark the end of a workflow. Once you have made your selections, apply the filter. The task list will immediately refresh and show only the tasks that match those statuses. Now you can browse your completed tasks. Take a moment to scroll through the list. You will likely find a satisfying record of everything your team has accomplished. If you want to dig into a specific task, just click on it to open the task detail panel. Inside, you have access to the full history of that task, all the comments that were left, any attachments that were uploaded, the original due date, who it was assigned to, and a complete activity log showing every change that was ever made. This activity log is particularly useful if you are reviewing a project retrospectively and want to understand how a task evolved over time, who made key decisions, or when a deadline was adjusted. You can also reopen a completed task directly from this detail view if you discover that follow-up work is needed. Just change its status back to an active one. Once you have reviewed individual tasks, you may want to organize the full list to make it easier to read and analyze. Click the Sort button at the top of the page. You will be presented with several sorting options. Completion date is often the most useful here. It arranges your tasks from most recently finished to oldest, giving you a clean timeline of what your team wrapped up and when. You can also sort by due date if you want to see tasks relative to their original deadlines, which is helpful for spotting patterns in how closely your team hits its targets. Sort descending to put the newest work at the top and ascending to start from the earliest. The list will rearrange itself instantly. A few expert tips before we finish. The real power of this view comes from combining filters. You applied a status filter a moment ago, but you can stack additional filters on top of it. Filter by assignee to see completed tasks for a specific team member, or filter by list or folder to scope the view down to a single project. This makes the Everything view an excellent tool for one-on-ones, sprint reviews, or client-facing progress reports, because you can generate a precise filtered snapshot of finished work in seconds. Also, keep in mind that this entire system only works well when your team is disciplined about marking tasks complete. If people leave finished tasks in an active status, they will not appear here. Building a habit around closing tasks properly, or setting up ClickUp automations to close them on your behalf, will make the everything view dramatically more reliable over time. And that is everything you need to know about viewing completed tasks in ClickUp using the everything view. You have now logged in, opened that unified view, applied a status filter to isolate finished work, explored the detail behind individual tasks, and sorted your results to make sense of the timeline. This skill alone can save you hours of manual digging across separate projects and gives you a single authoritative record of what your team has delivered. Save this video so you can come back to the steps whenever you need a refresher, and I will see you in the next one.